59 years old. I left the United States, came to Thailand, and I'm so glad to be here. I've been coming here for a couple of years on vacation, and I realized
That's the life!
I knew I was going to reinvent my life here in Thailand, and I just love it. Went to Damnoen, Saduak, saw these incredible boats on the market. Never seen anything like it before. What a great day. Then I heard I could go pet a tiger. What? And monkeys. I visit all the temples. It's my favorite thing to do. I love seeing the monks. I love wandering and seeing temple after temple. Now, this is my favorite temple on the planet. It's called Wat Arun. I think I go there almost every week of my life. It's one of the things that drew me to Thailand is this temple. It feels like my spiritual home. I saw this woman living in Thailand and I thought if she can do it, so can I. So my mind was made up. I got on a plane, I went back home, and I started figuring out how am I going to change my life, get everything out of this house, put things in storage, sell things, move. I had a whole beautiful life in Southern California. Believe me, I loved my life there. It was very comfortable, but I was missing something. Now, I had a lot of stuff, a lot of things that people value, but life isn't really about things, is it? I was surprised how many things I was able to let go of until my apartment was almost empty and it was just a chair and my computer. And then I was ready to go. Getting close to the day. I'm 7 days away from moving to Thailand. I'm freaking out today. I'm freaking out. So that was just my car and the stuff I kept in my car. And I came to stay with my friend Linda, who is really one of my dearest, closest friends. And she and I get along really, really well. And she has an extra bedroom, so I've been here for a month. Suitcase, I'm living out of my suitcase. I got my puppy with me. Now I'm coming down to the wire the last 7 days. So here I am at the airlines, China Air, filling out. First of all, let me show you what's going on. And then we have 3 suitcases. Getting all the paperwork done for my trip and rediscovering myself in a brand new life. I'm home. Crown. Meow. Many of you who are thinking of coming over here have a dog, and you're wondering how does that even work, coming to Thailand with a dog? And let me tell you, I was scared out of my mind that my dog would somehow get separated from me, that I wouldn't be able to get her at the airport, that I wouldn't be able to stay in the country, and then I wouldn't be able to get to my dogs. Hi, here you go. Stay. Look at me. Look at mommy. What a good baby. One of the things in Thailand, if you go into the malls or any of that, you got to have a stroller for your dog. So some malls let you bring dogs in with a stroller. Some malls don't, but so many malls do that I can walk all over the place with Thimmel in her stroller. Today is a gorgeous day. This particular place where I'm getting these goyzas, I don't know how to say that, gyoza. They don't take cash, they take only card. Sometimes you'll go to a Starbucks and they'll take cash. You go to another one, they only take card. Sometimes they take both. You just kind of have to play it by ear. That looks delicious. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked. On the inside. Yummy. Good thing I carry napkins with me because they didn't have any napkins in the bag. Which reminds me. I carry napkins with me everywhere because sometimes you'll come across a bathroom that doesn't have toilet paper. Most of the time they all have toilet paper, but sometimes they don't. We're in a rural place and they just don't happen to have toilet paper. So one of the tips I would tell you is always carry napkins in your purse. Always. Don't ever leave home without it. Oh. Phil, let me see your face. You're just a baby. This is how you travel when we go places. This is an incredible. This is Icon Siam, one of the most beautiful malls in Thailand. You have to spend time here, and you've got to see it if you're in Thailand. Down in the bottom floor is a reenactment of all the different locations in Thailand, northwest, east, south, all of the foods that you would get in those places. It's a spiritual journey. And then I head to this day trip to this ancient city, incredible temples. You've never seen anything like it. Coming to Thailand has been the best decision of my life. Amber. This wants to go on. This wants to go on. My happiness.